Good morning, guys. This is a very rare video you're going to be watching here where I will show you guys how to get into this trade right now on this video. Like, if you guys have been looking and you've been watching this channel, you're subscribed, and you know I've been calling live trades. I know this has already happened, but I'm going to give you guys this setup on the chart here and show you how you can get in here if you have extra money on the side or if you want to reinvest. This is a good video to watch. I will be showing you everything you need to take this trade, and I believe it's going to be a good winner. So let's start here. As I always do, let's start with the profits on this channel that we've been making with the trades. So 17.06% is what we made on GRT on July 11th, just a few days ago. 19.36% is what we made on UNI, and then we did 20.10% on GRT. We did 20.22% on COMP Compound USD, and then 15.14% on BTC USD. Make sure you guys are subscribed over at TradeConfident.io. It is $49 a month. Everything's transparent. I will be upping the prices of this as I've talked in previous videos. And real quick, let me address this. I got so many comments about this yesterday, so let me just take a second. You guys are asking me, if you guys go over here and you sign up for $49 a month on TradeConfident.io and I up the prices, will I up your membership? Listen carefully. You guys have my word. I will not upgrade automatically or force anyone to upgrade to the new price if you guys come in and get this at $49 a month right now, okay? I don't mean to turn this into a sales video. I'm going to show you guys this trade you can take, and I think you'll do great. But I need to just clarify that. If you guys want to sign up for $49 a month right now, keep it for the rest of your life. Even if I upgrade this to $200 a month someday to help pay the expenses, I will keep you at $49 a month forever. So you will exponentially gain value on your membership the longer you hold it, okay? Just want to make that clear because I had a lot of questions about that. So that ups the value even greater. Let's jump in. So this is where I want you guys to look right now. Watch the trend exhaustion. See where we're at the bottom here. Watch how low we are here. And I want you guys to watch with me. I'm going to bring this over here. And let's compare how much we've jumped last time. And then I'm going to update this trade live for you guys here, which is going to be a live update here that I'm going to end up pushing over to Trade Confident. So last time we got down here, we ended up seeing this little bit of a pump. So we saw a pump about 6.51%, not bad actually at all. And then we saw this pump over here. And for this move, we ended up moving up almost 40%, which was 37.80%. And then we saw this move over here where we got another pump, okay? I want us just to keep these in mind. So 20, 38, and about 6%. Yes, there's obviously times I want to keep everything transparent where sometimes you don't see as big of moves because the market just keeps heading down. This was only about a 7 to 8% move on there, and then we see this over here, which is probably around a 20% plus. Yeah, it's about 22.81. All right, that's great. If you guys want this indicator on your charts, I do believe this is the best one to have with the price and well money flow to have on your TradingView charts to call these bottoms and the tops. I'm going to go over the metrics today, which look very good for us. So watch this real quick as well, and then I'll get into the trade, how you guys can make money on this. Price versus the well money flow, the green line is moving down, but we are at the bottom. Listen carefully, guys. Whales will sell your guys' greed, but they will buy the fear. And I believe this is a place where we are going to start seeing you and I turn around. And it could happen very fast. Yes, we could head down and we could come to structure lows here a little bit more. And I will be covering that in this video in just a second. But I do believe this is a good trade to look to enter. Now, let me go over this. This is the reason why I think you guys, I don't want to say we have the best setup, but I really do believe the trade setups I'm calling on this channel and on TradeConfident.io are the best setups. And here's the reason why. We dollar cost average into every trade. So I'm going to update this trade live with you right here. The entry that I called was $20.32. The buy limit, the second one, was at $16.97. What happens to our entry and what happens to your entry every time you guys dollar cost average is it goes down. Every time the price moves down, we actually gain favor on the position by getting a better risk-reward ratio and a better break-even entry. So we take the first entry to the second, we add it together and divide it. We take the average. So the new entry, we are not down, guys. Like, take a look at this. This is so important that you guys understand this because this is how I trade. And if you guys are like, whoa, I like that trading, every single trade I call on TradeConfident.io, this is how we trade because it is the smartest way to trade crypto. I truly believe. We're down about 15.92%, 16%. Okay, watch this. Down 16%, but we're not. This is what just happened. I have to come in here, and the break even of this is now at $18.64. Watch this right here. This is what all the people who are trading with this live, all the members, this is what you guys get now, right there. That is not intimidating whatsoever. Okay, I said 16 cents, you guys, 16%. You're now down 6.99, 7%. That's crazy. Like that is what happens when you guys dollar cost average and follow these trades that I'm calling. Okay, I do believe we are going to see a pump here in the market, and I don't think it's going to take long for us to get back into the profit here for this trade. Now, make sure you guys are following over here on tradeconfident.io for this trade setup. This does require premium membership. Bitcoin is free, and all the other 16 cryptos you guys can trade with me live here. What I will be doing this week and possibly this weekend is I will be adjusting this sell limit based off the metrics to give us a really good exit so we can get out of here. Every trade I shoot for are somewhere between 10 to 20% per trade for profit. So even if you take one trade, like watch this here, $50 a month, okay? If you win one trade, if you put in $1,000, okay, let's pull the math here, $1,000, which a lot of people have $1,000, times 10%. It's very simple. You've doubled your membership, and you've also been able to take advantage of all the metrics, enter into all the other trades, and you've already made it all back. And you made $50. Like that's just with $1,000. I know some of you guys are trading with tens of thousands of dollars in here. Like this is why it's so worth it. Okay, let's go over the metrics. I'm pumped up because this is an opportunity you guys can get into right now where you're like, wow, this stuff really does work. Okay, watch this. The metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in 2.5 hours because it's 5:30 Pacific Standard Time right now. Watch this. Emotional index. We are pushing down into the fearful section. If this metrics comes out in this next 2.5 hours and this pushes down to fearful, I'm telling you guys, the whales are going to look to buy this strong. I really do believe that. Like, it's very rare you're going to see YouTubers or, just let's put, people in general, they're like, oh, look back here. This is what happened. This is what happened. I'm being fairly confident about this, that if you guys watch this, I will show you guys how to get into this trade here in a second. Like if you have not gotten in, I'll show you in a second how to do this. So watch this whole video like I mentioned. I need to go over this though to prove to you guys why I believe this is moving up. We are heading into fearful and anxiousness in the market. Last time we were here, we shot up a very good amount, like a very good amount. This is where we were last time we were fearful, and we shot up 71%. 71%. That could be what's coming. Let me give you more proof. Last time we were here was this drop. So if we have to go all the way back over here, and the drop that I'm just correlated you guys to was this drop right here. If we take the low to the high, it's 134%. Okay, do you guys see where I'm going with this? Why this could be a crazy move? Let's move down. Long versus short trades. I'm not seeing anything in the market right now from all these years and hours of teaching you guys. I'm not seeing anything that's drastically scaring me as far as short trades. They're very even. Long trades are actually moving up here a little bit. If you took a line and you pulled the lows here, long trades are actually increasing while price is moving down here. That is a very good sign. We could start seeing you and I, Uniswap, move to the upside. Okay, watch this again. Long versus short trade risk. We are coming down into the good long trade. I don't doubt, but I can't call this exactly because I honestly don't know either with you guys. In 2.5 hours here, make sure you guys are watching this. If we tick down to great long trade, again, that was a signal down here where we shot up, a signal down here where we shot up. Watch what happened back here. This time, when was this? This was actually March, just past, like March 20th, I believe. We caught down here. 1, 2, 3. The last 3 times we've been down here, obviously 4, we can call that, I guess, too. It has never come out with a false signal to not head up. Okay, follow me here, guys. I'm going to show you how to enter this trade like I did. I promise I'll show that to you in here. Well, and institutional smart money. This is insane what's happening right now. The long trade volume on here, this is sentiment of what smart money is doing in the market. Yesterday, 3 days ago, because this was yesterday, we saw about a tick up here to around the 400 point level over here. If you guys are looking to the left. 400, see 400, move all the way over, and that's where you guys can see. See, I'm just going to follow my mouse, 400. We have basically doubled this and almost gone up to 800 here within a matter of one day. Let's see what happens. If this comes out today and there's another orange bar higher than this, this would be a very good sign for us to enter into the market, okay? Let's look at historicals here, not just say that it's just some cool little chart here. This is why you guys need these metrics, I'm telling you. So last time we were up here, we saw the jump. And then we saw last time we got way up here, we saw a little bit of jumps in the market, but this is when a lot of the capitulation stage was happening and everybody just sold. Everyone freaked out and everyone sold. Even the whales were buying all the way down here. And then we see this move right here. We see a lot of long trade sentiment coming to the market and a huge spike up after that. We saw it here and we saw a spike. We saw it here. We saw a spike. We saw here. We saw a spike. We saw a spike. We saw a spike. We saw a spike. Okay. It is very it holds very true, this metric, if you guys are watching this. So I'm expecting to see you and I see some type of pump in here. Now, let's look at this real quick, and then again, we'll get over to the trade. We did break down below these supports here of 1994 and 1977. So 1693, we'll call it 17. Let's look at the chart here for a second. 17 is basically where we're at right now, structure low. So if we come back over here, this is where we're at. The next place we're going to head, and please mark these words, guys, although I am saying this is a very good trade setup, and if you're going to enter into one, I really believe this is one of the best calls you might actually take this month, and I'm giving it to you guys, but please make sure you guys are following me when I update some things, even if I update buy limits and sell limits on the website. Okay. This could keep heading down to 1511. Okay, I'm just going to make that very clear. So if that does, we have another buy limit down here that I'm going to show you guys how to pick this up so you guys will get a better entry if we move down here, and I will go over that. So let's wrap this up real quick on the metrics, and then we'll head over there, and I'll give you guys the setup for today. Dollar cost average buys. I do believe we will probably see some type of signal come out here very soon, maybe today or the next few days. This is calling the bottoms. Like, I don't know a metric out there that called this bottom this well, okay? We saw bottoms called here. This is a very good indicator for you guys to be using if you simply want to come out and look at dollar cost average of like, where's the best place to get into the market where it's on discount. A lot of people dollar cost average on dates. So it's like every Monday or every last Friday of the month or every first of the month. I don't believe that's a great way to dollar cost average. You need to just get in with when the price is low. All right, let's move down. If you're looking for an indicator to call exits, if you want to look to exit this trade here, watch this. This called the top here before we drop, called the top here before we drop, called the top before we drop, called the top before we drop, top, drop, top, drop, top, drop, top, drop, top, drop. Like, it is incredibly accurate in here, both those metrics, and we're still in the death cross. Okay, all of these metrics, guys, tradeconfident.io, just get your membership over here. I promise you it will be worth it. Probably the best investment you'll make in crypto. Like I promised, let's fly through this. I'm going to give you guys a setup. If you guys are watching this video right now and you want to get into this trade, here, I can't financial advice any of this, okay? Entertainment purposes only. Here's what you can do. Here's what I would literally suggest my family, even my own mom, to do right now. If you're watching this, mom, here's what you do. Let's say you guys have $3,000 right now. We're going to make it simple. $3,000. I would suggest looking to place $1,000 at each buy limit, okay? So right now you can come in at $16.97 and put a buy limit in your exchange for $1,000. And then you could come in and do a buy limit at $13.87 right here. And then another $1,000 at $10. Now you guys are like, well, this is what a lot of retail traders do. They come in and they put all their money in at one point because they don't want to miss out and they want as much of a return as possible. I'm telling you guys, I'm not being derogatory about this. That is dumb money right there. And honestly, it is greed overtaking your emotions. That really is. I'm telling you guys from like experience and working with thousands of traders that the best way to trade is to always dollar cost average into your entry. BitBoy talks about this. Grayscale talks about this in their what they do. Another guy I love following online is Journey Crypto. He's doing this right now. Like, I'm doing this right now. It is not getting in at market orders and putting all your money in there. Even if you guys have $100 right now and you're like, Travis, I love your channel. I'm subscribed and I want to get in. I still would, non-financial advice, look for you guys to do $33 here, $33 here, and $33 here. Once you understand and you'll watch your emotions, once it goes down, your entry will start moving down with you. Okay, it is such an amazing thing to see that. So let me wrap this video up here. If you guys want to enter right now, this is what you can do. 33% here, 33% here, 33% here, since we already gotten the first one. Let me make this point here too. If you guys are watching this video and if we happen to be below this, here's what you can do. If you're watching this video, let's say it's Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, whatever. It's Wednesday right now. What you guys can do is you can choose to market order in anywhere below this buy entry. Let's say I had said $3,000, $1,000 in here. You could do that if you want, market order, and then another 1,000 here and another 1,000 here. These are pulled at the greatest structure supports I can find on the chart where I believe the price will bounce fast. So Could we keep going down? Absolutely. So I want to make that clear. But I do believe this is one of the best trade setups you can enter in right now to make some of the best money on altcoins in crypto. Okay. So I'll leave you guys with that. God bless you so much. Make sure you guys are getting your membership over here at tradeconfident.io. I will be calling more trades like this. You can follow all of them, and make sure even on this trade, you guys are following my updates here, because I will be updating the sell limit. I'm telling you guys right now, I will update the sell limit at a specific price that I won't reveal at the moment, but it will help us exit in a profitable position that I believe could happen possibly by Friday or Saturday. So make sure you guys are watching that. I'm sorry, it's right here. Here you guys go. So I know this video is long. I just wanted to give you guys a really good trade setup you could take advantage of right now if you guys are subscribed to this channel. And this will be where I update holding, ready for break even. So that we came down here, I will be updating this on tradeconfident.io. God bless you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video. Make sure you guys are watching this and you're subscribed. See you guys. Bye-bye.